Welcome to Jove. Let's take a look at how you can upload a SCORM file to Moodle. Sign into your Jove account. Navigate to Education tab. Go to Jove Quiz. Go to My Quizzes. Select a quiz. Click on Download as SCORM. Sign into Moodle. Select a course. Click on Turn Editing On button. Click on Add an activity or resource. Choose SCORM package. Give your SCORM package a name. Go to Package. Click on the file icon. Go to Upload a file. Click on Choose a file. Select Previously Downloaded File. Click on Upload this file. Click Save and return to course. Click on Turn Editing Off button. That's it. Thank you for watching.